Hello, welcome to T Concept Ventures. So today, quickly, let's design a happy Christmas flyer. So let's go to our CorelDraw. So let's make this 1080. Come here, make it pixels 1080 by 1080. So let's click on that 1080 by 1080, and you click OK. So these are CorelDraw workspace, and this is it. So take note of that 1080 by 1080. So quickly, without wasting our time. So what we want to do is let's get the element we need in the design. Control I to import. So import the things you need. Let's go to my desktop. Sorry. Okay, I need this. Okay, let me import this first. So this is my background I'll be using. So I will show us how to download backgrounds, and let's go back there again and see what we have. Okay, I'll still have another one here. So these are the two things I've been using for the design. So quickly after that, so what you want to do is, sorry about the noise. So quickly, this is the background we're using. Okay, we can quickly cut this out. So I'll show us how to download the Christmas background for your designs. Okay, quickly let's close this up. Okay, this is what we need. So we'll close that up, and this is the background we need. So let's just, okay, now we can go to there's a site called, just go to what's it called, so we can go to Google and you can just type smas. This is smas elements png, and you have so many of them you can use for your design. So you go for the one you desire. So let's see if we can add to what we have there. Okay, this is also beautiful. So you take your time and go out for the things you want. Okay, you have a lot of them there. Okay, let's pick one of them again. Let's see. Okay, so I could use this for the design as well. Now take note of that. Okay, click on it. Take note of this, that during Christmas season, that the color for Christmas is always green and red. So we can download this vector file and use them for our design. We have a lot of them, so you just pick the one that is suitable for your designs. Okay, let me go with this so that we don't waste much time. So you click on free download. So this is pinpng.com, and immediately you download them. So that's it. You download to our desktop, and I can use that for my design. So I can go and also import. Okay, this is it. I can also bring it to my CorelDraw and I drop it there. So these are the elements I'll be using. So quickly, so the first thing I want to do is let's give our boss. So you double click on the rectangle to give your boss a boundary, and I'm going to bring this in here. I will bring that in here, so I can just bring it this way. If I'm okay with that, I can also power click that inside. Power click inside. So we have the fill, and so this is the background I'll be using for the design. So I can stretch it until I got in the desired length or measurement I want for my design. Could stretch that. So take note of that, that it is always red and green for Christmas. Let me power click that inside. So after doing that, I can edit. You click on the edit button and you take it behind. Control page down. Control page down can do that. Or let's do Control Z. You can just right click. You go to order. This is order, and you click take to back of layer, and you click that, and you can see it is at the back of our layer. So let's just stretch this a little. So let's say this is what we are okay with that. So we can click finish. Now these are simple as ABCD. Later on we can bring this to the design here just to make it, let's give it a touch of the Christmas feel, and you can get different elements. Let's look out for Christmas ball. I've got for Christmas ball .png. Let's see Christmas ball png. Xmas ball PNG, and when you click on that, so you can see that we have the tons of them. These are all PNG. They can be used for your design just to make it look more colorful. So it depends on what you are working on. So now we cannot use red because the background is red. So we can go for something that is more of silver or off red, as the case may be. Okay, let's look out for something we can use. We can also use this. You can use this. If that is okay, let's go for a longer one. This one is also one of it. I think this is a PNG file, so you can visit there. You can download. So this is a site called freeiconpng.com. So you can click on the download. So let's give it a little time. My internet is strong, it will come up immediately. Okay, this is it. Big download. It's taking much of our time. Okay, quickly. Now, I want to go over to using the text for the design. Okay, let's try this. I think this is also good. It's also a Christmas ball. Let's try this other site. My network is poor. So about the delays. We downloaded that and okay. There's a lot you can get and use for your design. So quickly, let's manage what we have there, and as we continue. Now, the next thing you want to do is, at times, there are some beautiful text. You see Xmas text. Okay, now let's see um Xmas or Christmas fonts. Now Christmas fonts, you see them, many of them. Some you may like them and wow, this is beautiful. But how do you get them? So go for the vector ones. These are vectors. For the vector ones, so let's pick out for the vector ones. So you can also put Christmas font PNG and you click on it and you have tons of them. So these are the ones we have. So there are some you can manipulate, but just to make your work look classic, so you can choose. Let me show us how to manipulate those fonts so that you can use it in your design. Okay, let's do something now. Let's go to Shutterstock. This is Shutterstock, and let's type in Christmas font. Let's click OK. I just pray the internet is strong this time. Okay, that is it. So we have a lot of them here. So this is one again. So you can go for the ones you know is okay for your design. So these are beautiful ones. So let me just get. Okay, let's work with this. I like this. So you can click on it now. Let me show us how to download this. Now this is Shutterstock. But it has a watermark. You can as well copy this directly, but let me show us how to download this now. Okay, what you do now, you click on this link, you copy, you go to noart.cc, noart.cc. Look at the site, noart.cc. So you go to noart.cc, you click on find stock, you go to find stock, you click the enter button and you control V, you paste the link you copied before, and it comes up. This is it. And the next thing you want to do is what? Click on find stock. I don't want to take much time. Click on find stock and you click on view. When you click on view, click I am a human. Then the next thing you do, you what? The boat. Click on boats. Click on boats and verify. So you should verify. So it comes up. This page comes up. The next thing you want to do is you wait for it and you click on skip add and it opens this way. So you can right click and save the image, save as. You can see the watermark is off. So that is how to go about downloading premium images from Shutterstock. So the next thing I want to do is now let's bring that into our design. So this is it. It has a white background, so you bring it into your design. So once you bring it into your design, the next thing you want to do is, so how do I crop this out and use it in my design? So what you're going to do is you click on it, you go to trace bitmap, come to outline and go to what? Line art. So when you come to line art, if it is not showing this way, either you go to specific. If it is showing this way, you come to what? Automatically. So it takes out the white and leaves you with, so you can just drag this out. So we don't need this guy again, we can just delete it. So you can see we've gotten what we want in the design. So we're using this for our designer. So you can ungroup it, click on the white space and you delete. You will not need this. Click on the white space, delete. Click on the white space, delete. Click on the white space, delete. And we can manipulate this the way we want. So we can highlight everything and give it a white shadow. So you can see how beautiful it's coming out already. So I can group everything, Control G the group, and you bring them here. Wow, beautiful. So you can see our Christmas is already set. This is Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas, and you can add a prosperous new year and a prosperous new year. So let's do that. And a prosperous new year. And the prosperous new year, let's click on our shape tool and we can close up the gap. Just close it up a little. You can change it to your desired fonts. For now, let's use Futura is okay. I like using Futura, so we can close this up a little and we can bring it here and give it a color white, and we can also stretch it just to create a balance. So let's stretch it up a little. You click your shape tool and you drag. So you can drag it that way, and so if you're okay with that, and also at times you can use a ribbon for the design, but you just want to keep it simple. And we can get this and we can click this inside us as well. And what do we have? Probably you can add your text here, designed by whatever TC graphics, and let's give this a shadow so that it can stand out. You click on that, you go to what your drop shadow and you give it a shadow. Let's give it a shadow. So you can set the shadow, you can increase or decrease. So let's make that outstanding. Okay, we are okay with that. So that is Merry Christmas. You can see how beautiful it's coming out. Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year. Okay, let us so there's something we downloaded. This is the ball. Let's see if we can use the ball in the design. So let's bring it up, bring it in. So there's the ball. So you can download any of this you want and use it for your design. Because we don't have much time, I'm trying to save time. we can get more silver balls. Let's go. Okay, let's close up this. Let me see if I can get all the balls. Smash balls, PNG. Let's click on that again and see how far. So we still have some beautiful ones. This is one here. Okay, this is another here. Let's click on this and we can download that immediately and use it for design. So it's about using design elements. Look at this, another beautiful one. This is another beautiful one. I love this. So I can click on any of this. Let's click on these two. And we can download the PNG file. So take note of the site. This is pngegg.com, and this is it. You can download it. So you can go around getting different form. I'm human. We have to click in order J. This is the first letter J, G, G, 8. Click on T and T. Wow. Okay. Sorry. Y. Let's go to Y. M. That is Q. I think so. Is that 9? 9 and X. Just pray it goes this time around. Okay. Fine. So we can download that and also use it for our designs. This is another beautiful one we can also use. So we have tons. If you can come to the site PNG egg and download so many beautiful things. They have beautiful, beautiful things. This is another one. This is another one. So you can go on and download more for your design. This is another beautiful one. This is another beautiful one. You could download these two and use it for our designs. So it depends on your creativity, what you want. So PNG egg is another beautiful one. So you can download from PNG egg. You can see that. So what we downloaded, let us bring it into our designs. So these are the two we downloaded. Let's crop it up and bring it straight to our CorelDraw. So bring it straight to your CorelDraw and let's reduce it. Let's also reduce this. So we can bring this into our design, and this how to design is simple. Now you can add this to your design if you want. Let's close that gap a little. It can be placed somewhere here, but since we have this here, there's no need for this. We want to make the design look too busy. We can turn this other way around, bring it up here and reduce this. Let's reduce that a little. We can also increase that. So we have that ball there, and we can also have another ball here. Okay, so we can bring this other ball here and we can back click them inside. So click inside, click, back click inside. So this how the design is simple. That design is simple. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year flyer for Christmas. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I love you and I want to hear from you. Thank you. Have a nice day.